What's up, traders? Welcome back to Generation Pips, your go-to channel for Forex market analysis and trading education. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell for regular updates. Today's education topic is going to be understanding uptrends in the Forex market. And on today's agenda, we're going to have definition of an uptrend, key characteristics, and of course, a chart example. All right, so how do I identify an uptrend? So definition of an uptrend is basically an uptrend is characterized by higher highs and higher lows, or higher lows and higher highs, however you want to put that. But a higher low is each low in the market is going to be higher than the previous low. And of course, the other side would be a higher high. Each high in the market is going to be higher than the previous high. So we're going to see here on this drawing, we've got a high, we've got a low. We can see that this low over here is going to be higher than this previous low. And we also have another high that's going to be higher than this previous high. And then, of course, keep going as the market pushes. We have a higher low followed by a higher high. So we're going to get off of this PowerPoint and let's go ahead and hit a real life chart example. All right, guys, so I found this an amazing chart on USD JPY on a 4-hour time frame. Of course, I'm using the bar replay tool because we're trying to show educational content and the best example of an uptrend needs to be shown. So on here, the first thing you should do when you're looking at a chart is identifying whether it is an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. And on this example, we can clearly see the market is moving to the upside. So now that you've identified that the market is actually moving to the upside, you can then go to your way of identifying uptrends. That could be by drawing a trend line and identifying that it's moving to the upside that way. It could be using a moving average. It's all subjective. The way that I like to look at it is by looking at major swing points. And for me, that's going to be looking at the swing lows, swing high, and swing low, and swing high. And then, of course, the way that I answer this for myself is big shifts in the market is how I categorize my swing points. Of course, that's subjective to each trader, but that's the way that we're going to look at it from my point of view when it comes to looking at uptrends. And once we identify that we have an uptrend, we can then look for trading opportunities, whether you trade support and resistance, whether you trade at the trend line. That trading strategy is up to you, of course, as the individual trader. But this is how we're going to identify an uptrend in the Forex market. This will wrap up another educational video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at GenerationPips. Also, leave a comment and let us know what type of educational content you guys want to see in the future. And as always, happy trading.